Yo, what's going on, guys? E-Dog here, and today is the biggest snowstorm. Yes, and it's already sticking on the ground. Actually, it's not sticking yet, but it's sticking on the concrete down here. Here it is. See? Isn't that weird, you guys? Wait. Yeah, isn't that weird? Like how it's just sticking on the road. But tomorrow or something, we're probably gonna have about 2 feet or so, or a foot, and we'll be out in the snow. I'll have a time lapse of like we'll be making a house. So. I've never heard of that. So yeah. Today is the big snowstorm. And I'll be doing like 2 YouTube videos of time lapse, and I'll be doing time lapse in the snow, building a snowman. I'm not playing that song. So, if you guys were wondering, I'm not playing that song. Because I hate that song. It gets on my nerves. So, yeah. I hope the fire's on down here. Oh, no, light doesn't work. Oh, yeah. I don't think the fire's on. Yeah, it is. It's on. It feels good down here. Oh, sorry about that. Yeah. And like, we need to hook up our TV that's down here, so that we can like, I don't know, like maybe hook up our direct TV that we got. And we can watch the football games how we want to. So, and I'll do some more. Oh, and as you guys know, I'm a Dolphins fan and a Cowboys fan, and the Panthers. They're awesome. And I like the New York Yankees, if you guys were wondering. So, oh yeah. And if you guys, if I can get the right angle. All right. It won't. Never mind. I'll show you at the end of the video. That is a dartboard back there, so I'll be doing some of those. So, and I don't know when I'm gonna upload some eyes YouTube videos. Yeah. And yeah. Tomorrow I'll give you guys a heads up. I'll do it on my dad's phone, so because his is waterproof and all that. I'm going to go out there, film, like I'll do some time lapse, then I'll do time lapse of building the house. Then at the end I'll hold the camera there for about 5 minutes, because how long it would take. So it'll be there. And so
hey, all devices need to go on the charger tonight, because chances are we're gonna lose power, and we're gonna need to make sure we have like the flashlights on the phones and stuff like that. Okay.
bro, I don't want to lose power tonight.
I don't either. We might not, but chances that we will are pretty high. They've got past. Did I tell you about this? 25 bucket trucks from Georgia are here to stand by for power outages, and and other states have sent just as many. So that means that they're pretty sure we're going to lose power. 25.
So we might lose power, and I don't want to lose power in the snow. Because this is going to be the first year this has happened in the snow.
Not before. It's the first time this year it's happened. I don't think it happened last year.
That's never happened in my life.
Yeah, it has. Maybe not for snow.
Yeah.
Hurricanes and stuff.
Yeah, snow. It's never happened in the snow before for my life. If you guys were wondering. Go on, Casey.
Candles.
So, I'll give you guys a heads up tonight. Like, I might tell you guys about if the power did go out or didn't go out. So, I don't really know. But I'll give you guys a heads up. And tomorrow, I'll be outside making snowmen.
Fix your typo.
And
Fix your typo.
Oh crap! What does it say?
Fix it.
And I'll make them and I don't know, I might do some little kid stuff like, I'm gonna do sledding, I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna get like we got something down in our yard where we use soccer goal. Well, going down there, I'm gonna use my dad's phone, I'm gonna put it on there, on this, here, on my selfie stick. You guys don't remember that. I used it for, I don't think I've ever showed you guys the thing, but this selfie stick. I already know I showed you guys this, but it's the same exact selfie stick, but I don't know if it's gonna be good, so yeah. I don't know how good it's gonna do. Oh, and I need to show you guys something. Alright, you know that soccer goal for goal? Well, look guess where it's at now. Bang. It's inside of our house because I don't want it to get ruined because it could. So. Oh, and you guys leave down in the comments what your favorite football team is. So, yeah. And I might do some Star Wars like battles. Like we got lightsabers, but not the real lightsabers. We got like plastic ones. We might do that one. And we're gonna do it down here. Whenever it's dark outside, we're gonna do it in here. I'm gonna go, yo, what's going on, guys? It's T-Dog here. And today we are doing the Star Wars thing. So be aware of that. It should be a little bit fun, and the quick draw, not so quick draw. Well, when he shot it, my dad, oh my gosh, the bullet went. It skinned my hair. Like, it was so close to my head. So, yeah. Oh, you guys, it's been about 9 minutes or so, and so far, it's starting to stick. Here. I'm in the basement. Hold on. Right there. So, yeah. I guess I'll see you guys here in a little bit. And I'll give you guys a heads up whenever we lose power or if the snow gets a lot harder. So, see you guys tomorrow. So, peace